Welcome back to the Bike Buzz-In channel, motorcycle enthusiasts. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting new bikes set to hit the market in 2025, the Aprilia RS 457. With a blend of aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, and incredible performance, this bike is set to shake up the world of sport bikes. Let's explore what makes the Aprilia RS 457 a game-changer. Design and styling a modern icon. The 2025 Aprilia RS 457 embraces a modern design language, inspired by its larger siblings like the RS 660. The sharp, aerodynamic bodywork, aggressive front end, and sleek lines make it clear this is a machine built for speed. The bike features a full LED headlamp, sporty tail section, and compact proportions, making it look at home both on the track and on the street. With bold graphics and a high-performance stance, the RS 457 is a bike that commands attention wherever it goes. Engine and performance power meets precision. Under the hood, the RS 457 is powered by a 457cc parallel twin engine, a size that perfectly balances power and agility for both novice and seasoned riders. Expect around 50 horsepower, which is ideal for those looking to experience high-revving performance without being overwhelmed. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, and the bike features a slipper clutch for smooth, controlled downshifting. Whether you're carving through twisties or hitting the straights, the RS 457 promises exceptional performance for its class. Chassis and handling track-ready precision. The Aprilia RS 457's lightweight chassis is built for precision handling. The trellis frame, combined with high-quality suspension components, provides excellent stability and feedback, whether you're on the track or tackling sharp corners on the street. The front suspension is an inverted fork, while the rear features a mono-shock setup. Together, they ensure superb handling and adaptability to different riding conditions. With a low curb weight and ideal ergonomics, the RS 457 is a joy to flick through tight corners. Technology and features cutting-edge riding experience. Aprilia has equipped the RS 457 with advanced tech features to enhance the riding experience. A full-color TFT display gives riders easy access to all vital stats, including speed, gear position, and riding modes. Speaking of riding modes, the RS 457 comes with multiple settings to adjust power delivery, allowing riders to tailor the bike's performance to their preference or skill level. Additionally, the bike is equipped with traction control and cornering ABS, providing added safety and confidence, especially for newer riders. Price and availability worth the investment? The 2025 Aprilia RS 457 is expected to be priced competitively, sitting somewhere between beginner bikes and mid-range sport bikes. While it may not be the cheapest option out there, its performance, build quality, and tech features make it a strong contender for riders seeking a premium experience at a relatively accessible price point. It's expected to hit dealerships in the middle of 2025, and given Aprilia's reputation for high-quality machines, this bike will likely be worth the investment. Conclusion: a new standard in sport bikes. The 2025 Aprilia RS 457 is shaping up to be a standout in the sport bike world. With its perfect blend of performance, style, and cutting-edge technology, this bike is tailored for riders who crave excitement, precision, and style. Whether you're looking for a bike to grow with or one that delivers serious fun right out of the gate, the RS 457 has you covered. What do you think of the 2025 Aprilia RS 457? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting motorcycle content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the throttle wide open.